Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to discuss the price prediction of Fetch.AI, probably the most powerful altcoins into the artificial intelligence space. I'm going to give you some price prediction because this coin, in my opinion, is going to explode. But also, not only that, we're going to talk about Altseason, when it's going to start, so you understand where we are in the cycle, what to expect from the cycle, and how you can position yourself. Of course, all of this is not financial advice, but give me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, because I'm going to post one video every single day talking about stocks, crypto, altcoins, and so much more. Let's go straight away and jump into Fetch AI so I can show you a little bit, where we are. I'm going to show you my reasoning behind why we're going to see a beautiful alt season and why Fetch is poised to go way, way higher. Guys, straight away, what I'm looking for right now is looking at the Bitcoin dominance, right? So lots of people are asking me right now, Andrea, when do you think we're going to see alt season, when the altcoins are going to go crazy? And it's all in relation to two things: total free market cap and also the Bitcoin dominance. As you can see from here, guys, Bitcoin dominance, which is pretty much the amount of percentage which has been given to Bitcoin compared to the other altcoins. So the percentage that investors are putting money into Bitcoin is actually on the rise. You can see it's going to go up and up and up. And this one, right, this phenomenon is actually very good for the crypto market, because what we want to see, and it's very important, in previous cycles, we always saw, I'm going to go on the weekly chart and show you a bit better. We always saw Bitcoin, first of all, exploding to the upside, and it looks like he's about to do that. So another maybe 3 months, but if the cycle is going to repeat, if we're going to repeat even 2023, starting from the end of September until March, that's what we could experience, guys. Could be a Bitcoin going up as high as $110,000. And when this happens, what I'm going to be expecting is going to be, because I've been in so many cycles, guys, we're going to see a little bit of a consolidation. And then after that, once you're going to see all this consolidation, then is when our season is going to start. And the thing is, you need to be ready to understand which altcoins are going to pump. You need to be ready when to enter at the right time, but also to exit at the right time. And also, in the meanwhile, you can see even from here, altcoins at the moment fluctuate every single day. That's why you need to understand how to trade the markets if you want to make money day by day, or if you are an investor and you want to understand the lowest point and the highest point. That's why with our VIP group, guys, that's what we do in our premium Discord group. You can see over here. These, by the way, are some of the results we had yesterday. You can see the results are insane. We long Solana yesterday. We had a crazy good entry, 52% for KA. You can see Shellcat over here pulling 24%. But look at our results, guys. Every single day, we are nailing every entry. 136% for Mirko. Why? Because we provide Bitcoin analysis every single day, order flow, liquidity heat map of Bitcoin, of altcoins, trading calls every day for you to, of course, to make money. Crypto chat, we are a community of professional members. So whether you are a trader, whether you are an investor and you want to make money in this space, you need to join the VIP group, because that's the only way you're going to understand which coin to buy during this alt season, which one I'm going to break out for you to make lots of money. If you want to join, of course, guys, link in the description and also in the comments. But let's go back into Bitcoin. So that's what we want to see. We want to see Bitcoin exploding to the upside. And if history is going to help us to understand when Bitcoin is going to break to the upside, is going to be roughly around the end of December to March 2025. So when that happens, we're going to see some consolidation. That's when our season is going to start. But also going back to our Bitcoin cap, market cap dominance. What we want to see this market cap dominance. Once Bitcoin is going to, let's say, go up to $100,000, we want to see the altcoins not to move too much, and we want to see Bitcoin dominance to go roughly around here. So if you open on TradingView BTC point.d, and it's going to go around this box over here, that's where, according to data, according to the history, Altseason should start. And what we have to do, we have to break this channel over here. So once you're going to be able to break this channel, once you're going to start to crawl down this way, altcoins are going to go ballistic. Of course, some of them are going to go not so much. Some of them are going to go crazy. But of course, in the VIP group, we discuss the one which are going to break out. We're going to, of course, take advantage and buy them, and we can make lots of money. And the other thing, guys, that you have to take into consideration is the crypto total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. As you can see right now, guys, the total free market cap has not been doing very well. And if you actually have a look at the projection from a logarithmic scale from roughly December 2017, the first proper alt season, you can see we touched over here. You can see we're touching over here. And right now, according to the logarithm, we could probably go and push up to this area over here at $2.6 trillion of market cap. Just bear in mind, guys, that right now we are at 565 billion. So if you're going to go up to, let's say, 2.6, 2.8 trillions, it's probably like a 5 or 6x from here, which means your altcoins could go up in value in between 6x to even 50x from here. So that's a very good deal. We can even see from our Fibonacci extension, lowest point to the highest point. We can bring it over here, bring it down. You can see that there could be definitely a good area around 2.48 to 3.3 trillion dollars market cap to top up in our season. And where is it going to top up? Well, roughly if Bitcoin is going to top, let's say, at the end of December 2024, then our season could be topping, the altcoins could be topping maybe 3 months later. But otherwise, if Bitcoin is going to top, let's say, in March, then altcoins could be topping around June, May, or June 2025. So that's what we really want to see for our season to start. We want to be able to break this line over here. I'm going to just cancel all of that. You can see that we have a line over here of resistance. We want to break this area here. Once we're going to be able to break this, then it's going to go off the races. So I'm very, very exciting for all of this. But now let's go into Fetch.AI, FET, and understand why this coin, in my opinion, is going to go crazy, of course, according to data. But first of all, guys, lots of people are asking me, how do we know all of this and how we can be profitable in the VIP group and all of that? And this is due to the fact that I've been in the market for a long, long time, more than 10 years, and I developed very solid strategy. For example, I was able in 2023 to turn $200,000 into 1.1 million. And what I did, I pretty much created a free masterclass. You can go on my website over here. So you can go on Freedom Trading Academy. This is my company. And you can watch a free masterclass how you will be able, utilizing my strategy, to make 20% plus per month in under 4 hours per week. You can just watch it from here. I'm going to explain to you how I did that. There is no crazy, I would say, secrets, but if you follow a proper strategy, you're going to be able to do this. And when I talk about 20% per month plus, it means that it's a minimum of 20% and it can be way more than that. But right now, with the VIP members, we are making roughly 5-10% per day, which is a lot. Anyway, let's go back into Fetch.AI. So FET, guys, you can see from the weekly chart that we are forming something which is very remarkable. And I can see Fetch getting very angry right now because really we're being completely bashed. So at the moment, right, what I can see from this chart over here is what we call an inverted head and shoulder. You have a shoulder here, you have a head over here, and you have a shoulder over here. In general, this one is a shape that if is going to be successful, if, remember, because it's not going to be 100% reliable. But if you're going to see this inverted head and shoulder play out, in general, what you can do to calculate how high we can go to is going to go to take the head from the neckline, and then you can bring it over here, which is giving us a target of roughly $2.43. So that's quite remarkable. And in fact, if you have a look at our Fibonacci retracement, is a mathematical equation to understand how much we could actually retrace with this movement over here. You can see that the 2.43 with the head and shoulder is really matching the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, which is also called the golden pocket. So if this head and shoulder is going to play out, and I really hope it will, then we could be seeing an explosion to go to the upside and reaching potential in this level over here. Then we might see a little bit of a retracement, and then, of course, continuation to the upside. Now, the only, I would say, doubt I have with Fetch.AI, and I'm talking about short term, is the fact that we are still in the month of September. And as you already know, September is usually a very bearish month for crypto. So it could be a possibility, going back into Bitcoin, that BTC could be forming one last drop to the downside. So looking at the chart from here, we could be seeing maybe one last drop down to this area over here around $47,000 to $46,000. And if that is the case, then Fetch might fail this head and shoulder, and instead it could be forming a potential double bottom formation. So something like this. So either way, this is going to be very, very powerful. And what I told my members and as well myself, I started to invest and to really buy heavily around this area over here, because I'm going to show you the price prediction, guys. I'm going to reveal to you the price prediction is gonna blow your mind. So looking at the chart from here, guys, this could be the two potential scenario: head and shoulder break over here and go to 2.43, then a bit of a retracement, and then off the races, or a potential double bottom. Because I believe that this probably was the bottom for Fetch.AI. Could be maybe one more down to here, but this thing is gonna go nuts. And now talking about price prediction, as I promised you before, how high this Fetch.AI could go to. I mean, this chart, guys, it looks beautiful, looks amazing, and in my opinion is ready for a nice blow up to the upside, especially with seasonality with Bitcoin. October, November, December, very good months for crypto. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you very simply where we could be going with this Fetch.AI, utilizing our trend lines and also our Fibonacci extension. We can see the extension, how high it could actually go to. I'm going to go from here, and I'm going to just go from the lowest point to the highest point from roughly from here. So you can see that Fetch.AI has an incredible, history of, of an uptrend. Like, looks very, very good, and therefore we could be seeing like, a continuation of this pattern over here. So looking at the chart from here, right, I would say that if Fetch.AI is going to follow the Fibonacci extension with this same curve, with the same pathway, we can see from a standardized chart, the first hypothetical scenario could be a potential push to the upside, very similar to what happened over here. And then what we could be seeing could be a continuation from here to here and reach roughly this area over here. So if Altseason is going to start, as I said before, in between probably March and June 2025, then I could be saying that Fetch could be reaching a level over here at roughly $5 per coin. Is it going to go higher? 100%. We have so many other levels of Fibonacci, could be going as high as $10. But for this mid-term cycle top, that's how I like to call it, then I could be seeing Fetch reaching roughly, I would say, in between 4.7 and $5. So we can also go on the logarithmic scale, which in general is much more accurate than the regular scale. You can see from here how high we could go to, and we can just go and select our points of we can call it of confluence. Okay, so from here to this point over here to this point over here, and you can see that Fetch.AI going up to this area over here is bringing us, look at that, around 4 point, I would say 4.7 to $5. That could definitely be a possibility. Make it a little bit better like that. So if you're gonna go roughly around 2025, let me just fix it properly so you can see well. You can see the line is just following this beautiful diagonal trend line, and we could be seeing, as I said before, March 2025 to June, right around this area, you're looking at roughly $5. dollars. You can see like, from here, $5, 5.5. So looking at the chart really is making me believe that Fetch could do from here like a 3 or even a 4x from here. I don't know if you are excited, but I am super excited. We can even see a little before the monthly chart. We can see from here. So lots of people now are calling for the bear market and all of that. I'm calling for this presentation over here. And in my opinion, it looks this chart looks it doesn't look good. It looks fantastic. You can see over here, pump, dump, pump, and then maybe one last um, top over here, right? Around April, May, $5. And you can see exactly what's going to be happening, right? You're going to go up to here. You're going to see probably the bearish divergence on the RSI. And that's going to be our signal that is probably going to be time to get out, because this could be happening after. And then from here, maybe another blow top a little bit later in the cycle. But so far, that's what I'm going to be expecting for the next 3 or 4 months. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. So you understand now what to expect and when you're going to be seeing Altseason, so you can keep an eye on it. But trust me, the Fetch is not the only coin which could be exploding to the upside. In our VIP group, we got so many other coins, as you can see, like Velo. We are looking at this 2,400%. We also have, for example, ING looks fantastic as well. It could be also going up like crazy. So we have so many other coins which we are taking into consideration, which are going to go and have an explosion. But you have to be ready and becoming, around this in this group. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. But if you have a question, please leave a comment down below. But otherwise, I'm going to see you in another video about trading cryptocurrency and also stocks. Take care, and I'm going to see you soon.